Guys, so I'm creating these Jason nails today. I'm gonna get started with a nude polish here. Going to be applying this on some of the nails, and I'm going to be adding 2 coats on each. By the way, guys, if you guys can tell, I am wearing my Halloween set from my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. So I decided to do 3 of the nails nude, and now I'm going to be applying a white polish on the other 2. I'm going to be doing 2 coats on these 2. Alright, so this is how the white ones turn out, guys, after the 2 coats. Now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones on 2 of the nude ones. And I'm going to be using the rest of this little glue that I have here. I have a little bit left, and then I'm just going to open my new one. And I'm making sure that I'm putting enough glue all around the rhinestones. Alright, and this is how the set is looking so far. Now I'm going in with some black polish, and I'm going to be adding the eyes. So I'm going to be creating the Jason mask on this nail. For my second white now, I'm going to be adding the number 13 3 times, and then I'm just going to be dabbing little stains of red polish. Once my nails are set, I went ahead and added some top coat on all of them. And there it is, guys. This is the complete set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.